Hey there, how's it going? Okay, they're going to be giving us some problems, and they want us to simplify these log problems, because that's what they're giving us. Simplify without a calculator. And you're like, well, how am I supposed to do that? So let me give you one technique with this particular problem. ln means natural log, right? They want to know what the natural log of 1 is, and they don't want you to punch it into the calculator, so put the calculator away. Okay, good. Here's what I do. Since they want the solution, right, I'm going to set it equal to a variable. And I don't care what variable I set it equal to. Most of you probably put x. Me, I'm going to have some fun and I'm going to put an m. And then here's how my brain is working. My brain is like, well, ln means log base e of 1, and that's supposed to equal m. I'm trying to figure out what m is. Are you with me? Okay. And now I'm going to make this into a solving problem. And so I am going to turn this from a log function to an exponential function. Because as it sits, I don't know what this answer is without a calculator. So I am going to turn this to an exponential problem. So hold this thought. So that means I have to take base e on both sides, exponential base e on both sides, so I can cancel log base e and exponential base e, and I'm left with a 1 on the left side. And on the right side, I have e to the power of m. And now it's more obvious to me what the answer for m is. Because think about it. You take a base to a power and it equals 1. What does that power need to be? Yeah, it don't care what the base is. It doesn't matter what the base is, but the power always has to be equal to 0. Anything to the power of 0 is always 1. Are you with me? They could have given me log base 5 of 1 and asked me to simplify it. And if they did, well, I'm going to set it equal to m. I'm going to take the exponential base 5 on both sides, and I'm going to have 1 equals 5 to the power of m. And again, anything to the power of 0 will always give me 1. This log base 5 could have been any base. In this case, they wrote it as log base e. This could have been log base, I don't know, 2/3 of 1. This is still going to equal 0. Are you with me? Okay, so this is now a property, if you will, that when you have a log of any base and you're taking it of the number 1, this is always going to equal 0. So after doing it for a few examples, you're going to notice you always get 0. So now it can become a property. Okay, I have some examples coming your way. Work on them before you find my answer key video. Not all of them are like this, but this one is a technique that is very useful to have in your tool belt. Are you with me? Catch you on the flip side.